Today you will learn how to use and install AnyDesk, the way to get IT support. So first search anydesk.com in this address bar, then go to download now in the middle. Make sure you're installing it for the right operating system. Mine is Windows. Right above in your screen, let's go there, open your file, then run it, so give permissions. Well, AnyDesk open, this is the address you give to the IT support, and you can enter it right here if you want to help someone else. It doesn't work for me because I'm logging in to myself. Well, let's make sure that AnyDesk is really closed, and we do that right here. Right click on AnyDesk and close it, like quit. Then it's really closed, but now we're also going to remove it from the downloads folder. Well, if this isn't open, go right here to the three dots, then go to downloads, and then you will see the downloads right here. Open the file location and remove this AnyDesk. Enjoy your IT support.